What up, everybody? We are back. It's another day 92 of 365 days of photo. Yes.
Please stop! Whiplow sucks as a fighter. A child could beat him.
But we will beat this photo. And we shall let it. Let's just run through them real quick. See what we got. Well-used old Swiss Army style knife. I like that. Alright, let's use this. Like that too. Too. Also nice. Alright, so between these three. I think we're gonna go with this guy here. Alright. This is the one. So let us start the edit. A little bit up on that. Down. Some shadow. Bring that back. Kind of a reverse S-curve. I'm trying to flatten the image a little bit more. Text, clarity, more haze, detail, color. Get rid of all these little dark spots. I got the image up. I'm not gonna do too crazy of a mask. Object. We gotta get rid of that thing too. First, we're gonna get our mask done. Some noise reduction.
Your clothes are black.
And then we're going to duplicate the insert to set my score. Yes.
Now receive the fist of fury. Chicken go cluck cluck, cow go moo, piggy go. How about you?
Alright. Texture. Clarity. More haze. Good. Alright, now we get rid of these. Okay. Okay. Before, after, before, after. That is our video for today. Thank you for tuning in. Day 92, 365 days of photo, and we will see you for the next. Peace.